Hi, my name is Addison Golightly, and this is my justification for the design choices that I made while creating this mental health PSA to be used by ASUI for the university community. First of all, the topic of mental health is an important topic for the community because recently nationwide suicide rates are increasing, and mental health in general can be challenging for individuals and especially busy and young college students. With that being said, I made this PSA to bring awareness to this issue and in turn, hopefully to encourage those struggling to find help. Keeping this in mind, I chose to use a neutral frame for this PSA. I did this because I am bringing awareness to the issue and not stating any specific opinion. Alright, now, in order to effectively create this PSA and accomplish my purpose, I used 3 different graphic design principles. First, I used color theory, which is how different colors convey different meanings. I chose to use Vandal colors, like Vandal black, white, and gray, as well as Vandal yellow. I chose to use Vandal colors since this is sponsored by ASUI and is for the Vandal community. The second design principle I used was visual hierarchy, which is how design levels convey orders of importance. I chose the head with the text that mental health matters to carry the most visual weight and to be the dominant focal point. I did this to get the audience's attention and to share with them the main idea of my PSA. The subordinate focal points give more information on resources for mental health, and they state the sponsoring agency in that specific order of importance. The last principle I used was typography, which is how the shape of letters convey meaning. I chose 2 neutral fonts that were easy to read and not too aggressive, blocky, or bold, because I felt like that was not the message that I was trying to send. That concludes my design justification, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions if you have them. Thank you.